This channel is an educative channel that will teach you how to make various skincare suitable for all skin type. This is a lightening, in fact, a whitening body bar soap. Stay tuned. Hi beautiful people, welcome to my channel. It's your girl again. In this video I want to show you how I make my transparent bar soap using transparent soap. I just melted it, so I'm just gonna pour it inside this place. So what you do, you just keep stirring so that it doesn't solidify quick, and in doing that you can then add your ingredient. Since it's hot, I can't add any of my liquid at the moment and my powder. I'm just gonna wait till the temperature cools or reduce. I've got my glutathione powder here, and I've got my kojic acid here, and I've got my various powder all mixed in this place. So yeah, you can either add the powder inside, or you mix the powder, dissolve the powder first, then you add it inside it. Ensure you're not adding too much water inside, because you want your soap to be foamy as well. And oil, be careful how you add your oil. I'm just gonna pause this video. So I'm gonna add my sorry, don't mind my gloves. So yep. So yeah, I'm gonna add my glutathione mixture. So now I'm gonna add my giga white powder. Temperature of this is dropped, so you need to be careful when adding your powder inside. You don't want the temperature to be too high, if not it's going to reduce or damage the potency of the powder to work effectively in lightening up your skin. So you have to be careful. Now I'm going to add my glutathione mix. You can see it's transparent, as in clear white, so I'm going to add it while I mix. Then I'm going to add the powder as well. This is glutathione powder. So you mix it. To dissolve. And I'm going to add my kojic powder. Mixture. The temperature of kojic, you need to be careful. Shouldn't be more than 40 degrees centigrade. See, it's all dissolved. Yep. So I'm going to add my powder. And you stir as you do. And I will add the residue from my exotic fruits inside. This is my papaya, apple, and carrot residue. Then I'm going to add my exotic fruit inside. This is my papaya. I'm just going to take out. See, it's very thick. Just going to put it inside. So it's in the fridge, it's thick. So I'm going to add this as well. This is my carrot mixture with apple. Last and not the least, I'm gonna add my honey. This is an amazing soap bar for face and for body. This soap hardly make it to my website because the demand is, oh my god, it's very high for those people that have been using it. So thankful. I really want to say thank you guys for supporting me. I can vouch and also proudly say I get 100% returning customer on this soap. Trust me. This mixture of powder that I put in it, I'm not going to tell you everything, guys, but I have in it one alaton powder. I've got also a papaya ferment extra powder. I've got the spinach powder inside, and so on. Imagine. So this, you can Google and find out the benefit of this powder on your skin. It loads more than 67 powder that I mix in here with distilled water, or you can use it in with rose water. I use the rose water to mix it, to dissolve it, then add into it. So now I'm gonna add my oil. So this is my jojoba oil. Like I promised you guys, I said I'm going to be leaving the link of my Amazon shop where you guys can buy the original of this product, or the eBay. Be careful not to put too much oil. If you do that, it's going to reduce the potency. So you have to be careful. So where you can get the oil, you just have to be patient with me, guys. So yeah, I'm going to measure out. This is my another of my oil. Just little. This is my propane glycol. Then last but not the least, I'm going to add my foam booster. So when people use it, it will last them longer, because when you use little quantity, it's going to foam so well. So that's it. I'm going to show you the end product. Thank you. If you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Click the subscribe button and also click the notification bell. See you soon. So this is the end product, guys. I hope you guys can see. So this is the end product. Thank you. Subscribe if you haven't. Bye.